is acting mad weird right now, mad funny. Like, it keeps shutting off when I come to a stop. It's just being mad ass right now. But hopefully we be good. Got like a 35-40 minute drive. Hopefully Hobby's there so he can go over the car and look at it and see what's going on. But we're on our way to Dreamfest. This is like one of the last events at the track because the track has been sold to Walmart. Oh, it's doing it again. But hopefully it's fine now that we're driving. I hope. But yeah, off to Dreamfest we go. Oh shit. All right, we're back. Oh shit. Okay.
My life been looking gorgeous. Take one day at a time, I pray I never have to force it. Got bad women for me, tell they man he need to forfeit. I'm standing with the torch gripped in my hand, I'm hella calm, the other palm hold my fortune. I live ready to die, my mama hate me sounding morbid. Growing up, my daddy got caught up in chasing fortune. He'd probably be more proud if I was doctor or a lawyer, but I'm paid to be a...
Alright. Oh. So we made it to Dreamfest, and I'm having issues still. I figured out that I'm having TPS issues. I have a bad TPS, and that's the issues I'm having right now. So, bummer, but we made it. Now I just have to figure out how I'm going to get a TPS. So we're at the event. We got Freddy Bun Bread. We got La Sucia. The plug. Bro, I need a 4Runner, bro. My girl gonna buy it for me.
You gotta check? Give me a check. I'll deliver it to my house tomorrow.
Oh, the checkbook.
Yeah, I got you.
She'll tell you how much it gonna be. I need a 20. I need something cheap.
55,000.
Oh, bum, I will fuck your mother. I ain't got no 55. I need
Why
like
not, you got
I need
it.
like a 2015. Maybe.
What the purpose of the trailer? The car was still got there. What the fuck?
Yeah, that made no sense, bitch. But yeah.
The whole purpose was for me not.
So we're at Dreamfest. It's still early. The show kicks off in like 2 more hours. It is like 2. What time is it? 2:30.
Hold on. 29.
It's
3:30.
Damn, bro.
It ain't my fault. My car was big, dog. But Christina is here in the flesh. The homie Fred brought a spare TPS for me. So
You can't say those words, yo. Say your car's being misunderstood, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I've been neglecting her lately. I ain't gonna lie. She throwing little temper tantrums right now. She'll get situated. You know what I mean? She'll get situated. But a lot of the homies are here. We'll be sure to show you guys what's going on, all this event. And yeah. Look at this cute ass guy. Oh, what's up, Real Street?
How you doing?
I need a turbo.
Yo, come and get it. You want this one? I'll sell it to you.
I need it right now.
How much?
$200.
Well,
Cash.
300.
Man, that's not bad. That's a deal. See, Pablo the GOAT. Y'all need anything, y'all be sure to contact Mr. Pablo. I haven't seen this Integra ever. Man, my boy's out here with the Sparkle Evo seat, fuel tech.
Oh, I'm in your side of the woods.
Yeah, I see. About time.
Especially my daughter.
Because Joelle has the best kids in the world. Fun fact, I just told him if it wasn't for him, I would have never met her. If it wasn't for him stopping me at the last event in June 6th, I would have never met her. So that's crazy. It's just crazy.
That's my son's birthday.
Really?
I brought him in.
Wow.
That was my son's birthday. He's the one that got into the stage to sing the happy birthday. He want for his birthday. That's all he wanted.
Wow.
I remember that. On the
Well, the turbo being black is new.
Yeah. Look at that, look at that, look at that, yeah, look at that signature. It's gonna be worth money one day. One day. Nighthawk Black Pearl. B16 C6. That's your Type R. This is also his car.
Hey, look.
Let's go, Pablo. Damn, Pablo, what happened, dog? What we doing?
Hi, I'm Mark.
What's up?
I'm Honda Pro Jason.
Are you ready to see our knobs?
Are you ready to see our knobs?
Knobs.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Thanks to the homie Fred, he had a spare. He always keep a spare TPS with him. So I'm gonna be running this one for now, and I have to buy him one in return. But I needed something to get my car fixed, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this, calibrate it. Oh, I get you that bolts with screws. Nice. All right, bet. All right, so we went ahead and readjusted my TPS. I'm not sure if the problem is fixed. I won't know until I start driving the car to go home. But for now, it's calibrated, new TPS is on, and we'll just see what it does. I have no idea.
Gotta be a me.
Installed again.
So he's
Must be
new.
that. I think he's got a twin disc. Yeah, you gotta have a twin disc.
Alright, we are
Yeah, that was a 98 or no 96.
No, this one's a hatch, right?
That's an EG hatch, yeah. That's a 92, 95.
92 to 95. Your furthest y'all bodyguard weapon cars?
My car broken. Something with my map sensor. I have no idea. I'll talk more about it when I get home. Randy showed up. Hi, God. That's it. That's Dreamfest, baby. All right, so it is the next day. I talked to the homie Xavier over at Wireworks. And I'm just gonna remove my harness because my harness been through a lot, man. Like my starter wire came broke, my ground wire, my valve covers clapped. Basically, what I'm gonna do is take off my conversion harness. My conversion harness is I messed that up myself. The way I had it mounted before. Oh my God. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. The way I had my conversion harness before, it was against, like, it was chafing, and my wires were getting. It was just terrible. So I'm gonna remove all this stuff. Send it to Xavier, and he's gonna refresh the whole thing for me. And then once I get it back, we hopefully should be solid. Whatever he finds in his discovery of refixing my harness, we'll see what's going on, and he should be okay. Who that? Me. Oh, what's up, boo? You scaring me on camera. I look all scared like Cuba Gooding Jr. Man, you kind of strong. You almost lifted the whole garage up. All right, let's go ahead and start removing this engine harness. I should make her do it so she can learn more about cars. Alright, so here is my conversion harness. If you guys can see how clapped out I clapped it. Yeah, this is just terrible. And then on my engine harness, this is my ECU ground wire. This is pretty much toast. This thing is super toast. This, I think I showed you. I think I just showed you. But this one's toast. This is my starter signal wire. This is just had been redone. Like, my harness has been through a lot. Had it for 3 years. Definitely did its due. So I'm gonna send this off to Xavier over at Wireworks, and then hopefully when I get it back, the Integra will be fixed and ready to go with fresh wiring. Then from there, I just gotta figure out what the issue could be, but I'm pretty sure it's something to do with inside the harness. The issue I'm having, I didn't explain to you guys last night. I think I did, but whenever you hold rev, like when you hold throttle, the map sensor would stay stagnant. It wouldn't move. And we tested on Randy's car, and it's perfectly fine. So I was like, okay, I think it's my map. But it turns out it's not the map. My map is actually fine. It's just something to do inside the harness with the map, maybe K-Pro. I have no idea. I ended up loading up my old, not my old tune, but the original hobby tune, and that didn't fix anything as well. So I'm sure it has something to do with the harness, conversion harness maybe, since it's all like pieced together, spliced and diced. And vibrations over time probably knocked something loose. But yeah, Xavier said send it out. So I'm gonna send it to Xavier, and then we should be solid. But for this video, that's wraps.